Welcome to putting up lights for dummies.
Lights
for the idiot's guide to put up lights.
Okay, so the first one we put up, we started over there. See how it's short length there, dropping down. Ran all the way around the top. Come down the side. Then that one will make it in the door, so you can plug it in. Okay, so now we got this one here with the big bulbs. These connect together.
Yeah. I got you see, well, the other one, all you gotta do is just screw that in right there, and you're good to go.
So he has two of these, and we already put the plug inside the door. So this will make it over here. Okay, so that one came out the door, then it wrapped around just a little bit, up and down the railing, around the post a couple times, and it ends right here. Then he's going to get another one. He says he has three of them, so the third one would come over, or so the second one would come over here and down here, and maybe a little bit over here, and then the third one would finish the railing. Okay, so he's going to connect these two together. Show us how it works.
It's real simple. Gotta line these two up.
So it just slides in there.
Yeah, sometimes. You didn't step on anything, did you?
No. You sure it's not the other side? Okay, so one's got little pokey things, and the other side's got holes that the pokey things go in.
Right.
Male, female. That's what it's called.
Okay.
Guess which one's the male, Ernie?
You.
And then the cap tightened it up, so it's watertight, I guess.
Yep.
Okay, so that was number two, connected right there, came over here, wrapped around the post, and we just kind of let it hang down there at the bottom so it covers the whole post. And then under the railing, wrapped around the railing a couple times. And now number three will go up the post. You want to go up the post, or you want to go around the side railing?
Do both. What the hell? You know, shoot that. This one's long enough.
Yeah, it'll reach.
Yeah.
Okay, it's up to you. Okay, then the third set got plugged in here. Went up the railing, and then went up the post and back down and around here. Okay, so he's got one string of small ones that go along the top, all the way around the top and down through the door. And then the big bulbs, we started over here, put the plug inside the door, then brought it out the door, went around the railing a couple times, up the post. Number two came over here, down the post, around the railing a couple times. Number three got plugged in here, up the post, and then it just hangs down here and around the railing a couple times. Happy, Ernie?
Yeah.
Say happy, happy, happy.
Right.
See ya. Starting to look a lot like Christmas. Come on, Ernie, sing. Okay, Ernie's got his lights up.
Yep. Wait till the night time.
Come on, Ernie, sing Holy Night.
No.
Oh, Holy Night.
Oh, God. Please stop saying.
Okay, see ya.